Conquering conversations, mastering meetings and presentations. Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today, we're going to focus on an essential aspect of workplace English: attending meetings and presentations. Whether you're a student prepping for an internship or a seasoned professional, you'll find these tips very helpful. First, we're going to learn about some phrases and expressions commonly used during meetings. These will help you to participate actively and professionally. Could we return to the point about? This phrase allows you to steer the conversation back to a topic you think needs more discussion. If I could add something here. This is a polite way to add your opinion or viewpoint. I see your point, but use this phrase when you want to politely disagree with someone. Could we take a vote on? When a decision needs to be made, this phrase can be used to suggest a vote. Next, we're moving on to the language used in presentations. Knowing the right phrases can make your presentations clear, engaging, and professional. Let's start by considering. This phrase is a good way to introduce your first point. On the other hand, use this when you want to present a contrasting idea. To sum up, this phrase is commonly used to signal the conclusion of your presentation. Now let's talk about understanding workplace culture. This includes things like how to act, what to say, and when to say it. For example, in some workplaces, it's common to make small talk before a meeting officially begins. In others, meetings are strictly business. Take cues from your colleagues and superiors to understand the culture of your particular workplace. Lastly, we'll cover some general tips and tricks for success when attending meetings and presentations. Preparation is key. If you know what the meeting or presentation is about, prepare your ideas and arguments in advance. Listen actively. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Listen to what others are saying. This will help you respond more effectively. Stay professional. Regardless of the situation, maintain a professional attitude. This includes your language, demeanor, and body language. We hope this video helps you feel more confident and prepared for your next meeting or presentation. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use these phrases in real-life situations. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of attending meetings and presentations in no time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.